welcome back to my channel. It's Cherie here, Surfer Girl 326. So I have a little collaboration that Val at Singer Family Adventures created, and it's called Celebrating Collections, People, and Dog Pens, I believe. It's got a lot of initials, but I believe that's it. And so I'm just going to get started, and I'm going to show you all my dog pens. As most of you know, they're already subscribed to me. One of my main collections is Lady and the Tramp, so I'm going to show that last. So if you've already seen it, I don't want to bore you too much. So I'm just going to show a couple pins first, and but if you'd like to stick around and see my whole Lady and the Tramp collection, that's fine. But thank you so much for watching my video, and please go check out everyone that I've listed below that participated in this collaboration. And thank you so much for Val for inviting me to let me participate in this. So I have a few pins that's not related to Lady and the Tramp. And my first couple are, I have two Pluto pens. And the first one is, he's on a train. And I believe this is 2014. And it's a limited release. And I actually have the whole set of this, and it was, I can't remember if this was, I think it was like a gift. I can't remember. I traded for all of these mostly, and it was like a gift with purchase or something. But they're limited release. Of course, there's Mickey and Minnie, Donald. I'm looking at my pins on my big board over there, and Chip and Dale. They're, I believe, yeah, they're separate. So it's like a whole actual train. And this one, he's actually Pluto is actually on the engine. Anyway, so that was my first Pluto pin, and like I said, it was 2014. And then I have a Tokyo Disneyland Pluto pin. I traded actually a bunch of these. I forgot what his name. Somebody from the Disney Kitty pin trading group. I'm trying to show this to you. I guess I should put it on a little board. But there's Pluto, and it says Party Express. And they evidently don't put any years on their pins. So I'm not sure what year it is, but I know it's Tokyo Disneyland. And Tokyo makes such pretty pins. And I have several other ones. I had Daisy of that one, but I gave that away to Mary from Siskateers. And several other characters, I believe. Maybe Mickey. And okay, so that's my two Pluto pens. I have two 101 Dalmatians, and I'm not sure if this is, it looks like this might be Rolly, but I'm not really sure, but it's one of the puppies. And and to show it kind of, oh well, see, he's getting ready to take off. He's running, and he is from 2002, or she. Is that the red? Oh, this might be Penny. I don't know if this is the. I was trying to look through Google because I couldn't remember. Because I know several of them. I know Patch and Rolly, and there's a couple other ones. Lucky. There's several of the puppy names, but I couldn't remember. But anyway, so that's one, and then this is Pongo and Perdita. This doesn't have a date either, but it's got to be before 2000 because it's a sandback, and I'll show you that in a second. This is Pongo Perdita, and the bone, and so it just says Disney in the Disney store on the back of it. And when I say sandback, that's exactly what I mean. There's no Mickey heads. This is older. When you see when there's no Mickey heads or anything, that's when it's called sandback. That just means it's an older pen. It's a older than 2000 at least, I believe. So anyway, so that's Pangum Perdita. And then I have a couple zero pens. I forgot to write this one down. I'm not sure what year this is. But this is zero. And then I have the zero pen. Alrighty, and then I have the Chihuahua from Oliver and Company. I believe I love him so much because he's so funny. I believe his voice is played by Cheech Marin, who I love a lot, and his character's so funny. And I got that from a trade from my friend Frankie, I believe, among a couple other pens. And then this is a fantasy pen. This is Slinky Dog, the whole gang from Toy Story. I got this from my favorite button and pin, my favorite button shop, Clubhouse Buttons. But they also do fantasy pens. Alrighty, so I'm gonna try to go through quickly because there's quite a bit of pins here. I'm gonna start from a corner and just try to put them back so they won't be all a big old mess. So my first Lady and Tramp pen is the vinyl one. It's and I'm trying to remember, do they open? Oh, so it doesn't open or anything, but the record just slides out. It's a Lady and a Tramp. And then slide that back in there. And then a couple years ago when they had the pin trading events, I did have the card. Some of these I do leave the card on the card because I just think it makes the pin. It just looks so much better. So anyway, so this was from the pin animation celebration, the pin trading event they had a couple years ago. My friend Dana got this for me. I gave her the money. And I guess this is called lenticular. I was trying to make it so you can see. There they are. Okay, so there's Lady and Tramp. And then it says Lady and Tramp. I've sold a lot of my pens in the last year or two, and my Lady and the Tramp ones are my favorite. I've been trying to hang on to them, and I'm so glad. I did sell most of my Stitch collection, but anyway, so this one was one of my first Instagram sales. I remember purchases that I made from Disney Pen Sisters, Nicole and Brad. Because oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, was it? Oh, shoot. It was either from her or Carrie. I can't remember if it was from the Blues Lady or, oh. I don't know. It might have been from Carrie, but I remember one of the. Anyway, and I think this is the most expensive pen that I've ever gotten. I did pay $40 for this, but I love this so much, and I've kept it on the back of card. This is one of the first pens that I got from the live sale, and then I have Disney Love Letters. And this is, I'll just show you real quick. See, it's open. And I believe I got this. This was another Instagram live sale. I think this is from, here's Lady and Tramp. And I'm trying to, was it from Stitchy Pins? No. It was Pins Break the Internet. That's right. I believe that's who I got it from. But I love that one so much. The Disney love letters are really popular. So that's there. And then this one is from the Disney store. They did, was this the one they had 100 pins to go, or Countdown to the Millennium? And I kept the backer card of this one also. So this says this is 72. And these weren't expensive at all, but I've gotten this, I bought several of these from Disney Chris and Disney Dad, copied with Disney Dad. they had a bunch of those. Alrighty. And then I'm is this Acme? Yeah, then this is an Acme pen. This is Lady and Tramp. I was trying to see what the, it doesn't have, oh, well, it says 244 on the back. So I don't know if that's out of, that's just a number that mine is. I don't know how many they made of that one, but you can see it's by the design. Can you tell? Oh, it's reflecting there. But that's an older Acme pen. And then I got this one. I must have got this from Booster Packs Beyond because the sticker's still on there. And this is another Acme pen. Yep, and this is Lady and her puppies. Okay, did you see that? Hopefully you saw that good picture of that. Oh, Scamp's not there, but it's just the three girl puppies. But that's funny because right above her, I must have realized that because this is a little Scamp by himself. This is their one little boy puppy that they have evidently. That's Scamp. And he oh goodness, he must be an older pen too because he's like a sandbag. There's no Mickey on the back of him. And I was just gonna look real quick. It just says Disney's Lady and the Tramp. I wonder if that was a mystery set or something. And then I got a Father's Day pin. 1819 with Tramp and Scamp. That was a limited edition. This was either 2018 or 19, I believe. Well, alright, so we got Scamp. Alright, and we do one more with Lady and Tramp. This was a Christmas one. Mistletoe Kisses, Disneyland, 2019. I thought that one was so pretty. It's this is the wreath part is raised, and so is the little berry. It's so pretty. All right, so then I'm gonna go over here. I have a Pin Trading Nights pin, Lady and Tramp. And oh, I don't have the backer card this one, but here's the this was a whole series. I forgot which month this was because I think I have Lilo and Stitch in this one. This is a lunchbox, and I'm sure that spaghetti and meatballs. Yep, there's a thermos and the spaghetti and meatballs inside. Is that the, yep, and garlic. I guess that's garlic toast there, garlic rolls. Alrighty, so underneath that one, this is Lady. So this is a Disney Studio Store. This is 400. Okay, so this is limited edition of 400. And you know it's the studio store because it's got the ice cream cones. Oh, it's reflecting, trying to reflect me. But that's the ice cream cones. But I love it. Because she's coming out of the box. I just love this one. I'm trying to think. Was this the Toys? I think this was the Toys for Tots one, I believe. Alrighty. And then I have a Disneyland Paris lady. And then I have another Disneyland Paris. So this was like a Cuties series I think they had. So that was because I have a friend that used to go to Paris Disneyland, and I've gotten several of those, but I had used them for trading. This is my favorite. This is also Disneyland Paris. Alright, and then below the Paris one, I have a, now these, is this the one I got from Ryan? I got several of these. Ryan from Disney Pens blog got this huge collection in, and I almost got all of them, but I just got, okay, I can't remember. I've got 2 tramps here, and I'm trying to remember which one I got from Ryan and which one oh, this one is gold. Are these? Okay, so this one is gold, so he goes with this. Okay. Sorry about that while I collect my thoughts. Anyway, I'm not sure. This might have been an older open edition tramp, because he is, oh no. Oh, there's Mickey heads, but I don't know what year it is. But anyway, that's tramp. I'm not sure what year that is, but this next set, so I got these all from Ryan at Disney Pens blog. Oh, okay, and here's Lady. So I believe I got all these from him. So first, of course, we have Lady, and it says Lady and the Tramp. I was hoping that maybe it had, okay, 2000. Okay, I believe this says 2002. So here's Lady. And so these are all sandbacks, and they're all the same, so I'm not going to bore you with all of them. But so they all have a gold back. So that was Lady, and then there's Tramp again. So I believe when I put them on the board, so I have them like, so Lady's here, and then I have Tramp next to her, so like she's looking at him on the board. And then, so there was 4 of them that I got from him. So then I got Jacques. And then I also got Trusty. And that was 4 of them that I got from Ryan. Oh, I should have waited. I took them off, and now I'm not going to know which way to put them. Oh, okay. Alrighty, and then I think this was from Box Lunch. I don't know if this is, yeah, it's a lounge fly. So this is Lady and the Tramp. Lounge fly pen. And I was just curious. I don't know. Yeah, it's not, I don't think it's limited edition when you get it from them, but so that was that one. And then I have Good Morning Gathering. Oh, I think this might have been, oh, this is, yeah, Magic, oh, this is, so it says Magic Kingdom on the bottom. So this is from the restaurant. It says Good Morning Gathering. It said, they must have did a series or something, because it says Magical Gatherings on the back. And this is really old, because it's not even a sandbag. Wow. I wish I could see that. It's 19 something, so it's not even in the 2000s, or is it, I can't. I'm sorry, I don't want to make this video so long, but oh, I don't even think I showed it to you yet. Hold on, here we go. So there's Tony and Lady and the Tramp up in the corner. Okie dokie, got that one. All right, then we have a couple hidden Mickey pins, I believe. These hats, are they hidden Mickeys? Oh, maybe not. Okay, so these are just, I don't see it. Okay, so here's Lady. Is that like a hat pin? She's wearing like a Mickey Mouse hat. And, oh, look at that. Okay, so one side has got spaghetti, meatballs, and bread. And then the other side is her little hat box that she comes out of whenever, Mrs. Oh my gosh, I can't remember her name. Her owner when she or I guess Jim buys her for her. And it's I actually have that in the ornament. I have Lady coming out of the hat box. And then this one just has a paw on one side. Oh, and it's got J, M, and E, B on it. And a heart like you do on a tree. Oh. And that's another little hat. And then I have the Hidden Mickey Bones. This is Lady. And I don't know if I can put it close enough where you can see the Hidden Mickey or not. Is it by her? Yep, it's right by her nose. I don't know if you're able to see that, but the little Hidden Mickey, because it's so dark. I mean, the blue there was so dark. And then, yep, Tramp's Mickey is by his nose also. There's Tramp. Alrighty. And then I think this one was from either Box Lunch or Hot Topic too, because I believe I got this one either last February before last. This is another lenticular pen. Come on, move. Well, okay, maybe you can see it. I can't see it, but I know. Okay. Because when you move it, they're kissing. I wasn't sure if you saw that or no, but hopefully you did. All right, and then I have these were little mystery bags. I got these when we went to the Wilderness Lodge a couple years ago, and I traded. And here's Lady. These were those little magical bags, and then I have Tramp. All right, and then I have another heart pin. I had all these heart ones on with my mini Mickey, but I got some more mini Mickey. I just decided to put these on my Lady and the Tramp board. And this is another open edition pin. I think they still Disney still sells these, but I love that one. And then I got this from Disney Chris. I remember getting that just before we went on a trip a couple years ago, 2010, I think maybe. I love you. Isn't that cute? And this little jewel, the heart has like a little pink jewel in the middle of it, and it's raised. All right, and then we have her the best kept. Okay, Disney Secrets. This must be a Disney Vacation Club pin. And then we have Tramp and Lady Tsum Tsum pins. And there's Lady. She kind of looks like she's mad there, doesn't she? She's her. I don't know. It was just me. I just the way her eyebrows. With the maybe. Oh, not looking at it this way, but in the camera when I looked at it, it looked like her eyebrows were going like this or so. I don't know. It's just me. Okay, and then we have another one. It's two pins, but they're they're attached. It's the little heart series. Lady Tramp. So they don't come apart or anything. And I just got these last year. These from the stupid Disney store. Oh my gosh, the way they ship things. I got this one. And of course I have the backer cards for all of these, but I'm running out of room on my board. And then this is just Lady. And then I have just Tramp. And then this is, I believe this is from Hong Kong. Somebody I met on Instagram, she did pickups. Hong Kong Disneyland, and she sent this to me when I actually got this in another one, but I traded it. And it's a little tramp and a baby in a blanket, little baby tramp, and it's a little hidden Mickey. I think you had to play a game. That's like things about when you get parks overseas, you have to do all kinds of games and stuff. All right, well, I'm almost done. Yay! And I have this legacy one. I'm so glad I got this one. I wish I had gotten Honorable Dalmatians this year. It was at my my outlet, but I didn't get it. But this is it, Lady and the Tramp. It's for their anniversary. And then this is a fantasy pin that I got from Clubhouse Buttons. I just thought it was so cute. And yes, it's got Marie on it, but it's so cute. It's because it's fairly big, and but you know, it had Lady, and so I had to get it. And then my very last Lady and the Tramp pin is from another pin trading event. And I wish I'd gotten the card, but I forgot. So this is Jock and Scamp, and there's Jock, and Scamp is behind him, and I'll try to put my hand up so you can see him. And this is alrighty. Okay, there you go, and that's gonna do it. That's all my dog pins. Thank you so much for watching. And like I said before, please go watch everybody else's video down below. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked what you watched. And I hope everyone has a blessed day.